Begin by logging in to the admin account, where the 4 main admin settings are displayed along the left side of the window. Starting with the network settings, from here we can change the IP connection between the default mode of DHCP to static or PPPoE mode. The external mail setting allows for changes to the SMTP alongside testing the connection status. Whilst the information management displays an overview of the key host information. Also note that from this window you are able to change the server's host name. Under account management, you can add and delete user accounts alongside change the passwords. When deleting users, note that you can assign an inheritor for the saved documents to be transferred to. Creating new users is also easily done using the New User button in the top bar, opening the New User Account window. Whilst editing can be done by the Edit button to the right of the User Information bar, and user accounts can be imported and exported directly from this window. You can also create and edit user groups for easier collaboration and sharing of documents between eDoc users. In this case, adding an additional user to the group by clicking the Edit button. Alongside this, you can allocate the storage space for your users by editing their quota limit. Setting the quota to 0 will result in unlimited storage limit as demonstrated here. You can also add additional security through device codes under the Device Management tab. Moving on to the System Management settings, here we can change the default settings for most aspects of the eDoc system, such as the number of log entries per page, documents per page, or simultaneous users online. Alongside download the certificate for upgrading the eDoc client and reboot or shutting down the server. Under log management, an overview of all key actions taken on the eDoc server can be seen. These logs can be filtered by the attributed account, date range and action type, or exported as a TXT file. Whilst under the daily backup settings, you can back up to a hard drive your eDoc files for restoring the eDoc contents in case of shutdown. Finally, under the system update settings, you can see the license settings such as the user limit alongside request a license upgrade or update the eDoc client to the latest version.